Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's me. Usually every Sundays I use this time to prepare for the week ahead, and one of those preparations I do is getting ready, getting my meals prepped for the week. So usually I have my breakfast and then dinner prepped. Lunch I usually just have something to snack on, maybe some tea, or maybe I buy something musprating. But yeah, so today we're going to be doing breakfast parfaits, or what I usually call my breakfast in a jar. Let's do this. So we're going to be turning this into this. If you're interested in knowing what I eat in a day or what I prep for my dinner, kindly let me know down below. Or if you have any questions about my breakfast in a jar. Yeah, like I was saying, you're gonna need the fruits that you'd like to be inside your jar, your yogurt. So before I used to use plain yogurt because it made like nice aesthetic, but you know, now I use like lemon cheesecake flavored double cream because I'm not on a diet. And then your muesli or oats, this is like mixed, I mix everything inside, and chia seeds. Now that all your fruits are nicely washed up, we're gonna slice them and prepare them for the jar. Strawberries chopped up, grapes chopped up, and pomegranate. I'm gonna get my jars. So these are the jars I use to meal prep. I got these at Spar. They were like less than 10 pula each. But before I used to use like this, which was this, because you know, we recycle, we repurpose our jars. We're all about keeping Mother Earth clean and saving Mother Earth. Meal prepping. I'm gonna put oats, then yogurt, then fruits. Oats, yogurt, fruits, and then chia seeds at the top for digestion or whatever it is. Guys, so my yogurt looks like it's finishing. I'm running out of yogurt, but I've got backup. Ta-da! We've got backup. Whatever kind of flavored yogurt that you like, because I'm not so specific. I'm not on a diet personally. I'm not on a diet, and I just fell in love with cheesecake, lemon cheesecake. I use it almost all the time. Sometimes I mix it up because it gets boring having something over and over again. Before I actually used to use one fruit, and now I'm doing 2 fruits. Sometimes I mix and match my fruits because it gets boring, you know. Reason why I meal prep: one, it's very economic. I go to the shops knowing I'm just gonna buy 2 fruits for my meal prep and maybe a third one that I can use to snack on at lunch or pre-dinner or midnight snack. And then, what else do I? Economic. I'm lazy, guys. I live alone, so waking up every morning to make breakfast for myself and skaftini. This way, I just pop them all in the fridge. By the way, it lasts till Friday for me usually. But I want to keep Friday. I want to keep Friday like a loose, relaxed, chilled day where I eat what I want, when I want. You know, I'm not on a diet, but I'm just trying to eat healthy. I'm trying to love myself more, love my body more. And another way of self-care is through. Wow, Rooney's just meowing all over the place. Another way of showing yourself some love is through the way you eat and making sure that you eat healthy, you eat clean. That's another form of self-care. For the week ahead. I'm actually keen and interested in hearing what people do. This is not Black Label, by the way. That is the end of my breakfast parfait. There's other things that I usually have for breakfast that I prepare overnight. If you're interested in knowing what those is, comment down below or tell me what you usually have for breakfast and how you maintain a healthy lifestyle. Thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe to catch my next video. I think I might be traveling.